Hello everybody, it's Cleopatra181 here, and today we are going to be doing a Forgotten Desert marathon. You know I love my Forgotten Desert. Smiles! We're just gonna be doing it, and I'm ready. I'm recording too. So, oh wait, am I in Alden? Yeah. Alright. So, I'm here with the boy who cried wolf. And, ahem. Do I know you? I feel like I've seen you somewhere. These stupid wings are in the way. Jamality Boat Collector. Airbender. I see how it is. And forgive me if I pronounce this wrong. Alexia. Okay. So, I'm sorry. I feel like these people should vote. Should I skip to prizes? Because it's like what I like to do. Oops. Bruh. Because I don't want to keep you guys waiting forever. Because my computer is so laggy. So laggy. Mom's computer. Okay. I will. Well, alright. I guess that means that I will see you guys. By the way, sit like that, I suggest it. I will see you in the first prize. Okay, so I totally forgot that I was recording. So, for this one, I got like a turquoise witch hat, and for this one, I got the Overflow arcade game. So, let's do this one. I have like 1,000,000 of these now. Alright. And a designer skirt. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the marathon, and this video is literally only 3 minutes long, so I feel like I should maybe add more to this video. Well, my video is only 3 minutes long. Oops. Long XP. Mine's only a refreshing. Alright then. Well, poop. I won't offer for this. You guys know I'm just desperate for a long because I'm not a rare jammer. My promo pet. So beautiful. Alright. You guys, It's now 5 minutes long. That's good. So, of course, he's always waiting on me, because I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Well, I guess we're doing more prizes, even though that was a marathon, but alright. Fine with me, you know I like my rares. See, and the first prize. I mean, well, you know what I mean. Alright. What have we here? What the heck? Ooh, yes! Yes! Look at that! It's like the best thing I've ever gotten. Look at that. I almost just discarded it. Okay. What have we here? What has we here? Oh. Oh. Nice. Some shades. Alright, so far we don't have some amazing feedback. It's just like, oh god, it's so bad. Oh yeah, that's really bad. That's really bad. But hey, this is the best Forgotten Desert thingy I have ever done. By the way, here's the witch hat. Here's the witch hat. I also got this from a ground chest. Like, is something seriously wrong with this mouse? It is. Oh. Alright, let's go. I can't click! Quit moving around! No! No, I am so... We're gonna do one more round, and then that is going to have to wrap it up for this video. Oof, sorry, stretching and yawning. 8:57. Meh. 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 I'm gonna draw a Nyan cat. Meh, I'm gonna draw a Nyan cat. Oops. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. And stay cool. Kill, get more people then. Alright, I don't care. I don't care. Okay. Well, see you in the next one. Bye!